Today's Broker Caravan Tuesday. It's Victoria Muñoz, your Compass real estate agent. So come on, let's go to Silver Lake, Northeast Los Angeles. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tour of the house of the day is in Silver Lake. We're starting our tour here in downtown LA. I'm so glad I looked twice because I realized the signals were not working, the power is out. So we're coming up on Angelino Heights and Echo Park. If you're familiar with Dodger Stadium and Elysian Park, that is to the right. So I didn't pan up, but once we pass Vince Scully Avenue or Vince Scully Street or Boulevard. But I wanted to show you this really quick because a lot of people don't know this store actually exists. It's called Bob's Market. It was the store from Fast and Furious, so there it is, Bob's Market. This area is where the two neighborhoods meet, so Angelino Heights and Echo Park, and there's a lot of nice homes in this area. There's views of downtown. A lot of people come through here because of that Bob's Market. So if we go back to Sunset Boulevard will actually take you through Beverly Hills and it ends in Malibu. So let's stay locally. We started in downtown LA. Now we're in Echo Park. Silver Lake is just a few blocks down. It's actually probably a mile from here. So this is Sunset Boulevard. A lot of trendy stores and a lot of cool places to eat or hang out. A lot of businesses on the street. It wasn't like this before. Growing up and coming down here, we used to take the bus to go to Hollywood. And I believe it was the 2 bus, the number 2. So the neighborhood has changed a lot, but it looks really good. Okay, so we're headed to 922.5 Maltman Avenue. That's Los Angeles, California, 90026. There's a really good diner up here. It's coming up. It's on the left hand side. It's called Millie's Cafe. If you've already been there, you know they have really good breakfast. So let's take a look at some of the stores here in Echo Park and Silver Lake. And once we get to the house, I'll go ahead and describe the property details. So just enjoy the drive. We were a little bit early. The Brokers Open didn't start until 11. And here's a park. If you have kids or pets, this is one of the perks of living in this area. You get this beautiful park with amazing views. This is Bellevue Park. Okay, so we made it here. Just my luck, it was the last house on this private street, which is pretty cool because you don't have any neighbors on the other side. So let's go ahead and start the tour. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It's built in 1926. It's 676 square feet of living space. As I mentioned, the HOAs are $140. The listed price starting at $725,000. This is Silver Lake. So Silver Lake, a lot of people come here when they think of LA, they think of Northeast Los Angeles, and Silver Lake is one of the most popular areas that first-time home buyers and people moving to California, they will go to. So if you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, you can always message me. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks for watching. This is Living in NELA with Compass Real Estate Agent Victoria Muñoz. I look forward to seeing you in Northeast LA.